For many of us, the blossoms on the trees and the spring flowers are out, but we could start to see towards the end of the week this sort of scene, because we are going to see a return to winter, particularly over the hills and mountains of northern Britain. There is some snow on the way. Let me show you what's happening. That's the area of low pressure we've had over the last couple of days. That starts to move out the way. This is the low we're watching. That's the cold air across Iceland as we move into Tuesday. That's coming right the way down across the British Isles as we move through Wednesday and Thursday. And a run of north or northeasterly winds will bring very much colder air for almost all of us. We can see that as we run the sequence of wind flow diagrams. As we move through towards the end of the week, we start to see a change to that colder air illustrated by those blue arrows. And for all of us, we are going to see a return to the overnight frost. The frost starting in the north of Scotland, and then as we move through Thursday night and Friday night, that frost becoming quite extensive. In Scotland, as low as -5 by Friday night. Now then, so a warning really of, an early warning really of potentially some severe weather towards the end of the week, particularly for the hills and mountains of Scotland, perhaps Northern Ireland and northern parts of England. More importantly, a widespread frost overnight for many of us. Back to now, though, we still have the area of low pressure, more persistent rain up in the far north, and we can see that many of those showers are pushing their way across southern parts of England, but there are slow-moving showers in the centre of the low. For instance, here in Bristol, we have some showers, but they've moved away, some sunshine here as well. But in the centre part of the low, we've had some more persistent rain out of a slow-moving shower, in particular for the M6 not too far away from Blackpool. There's some pretty awful driving conditions because of the intensity of the rain. Temperatures today, we're looking at the 12s, maybe 13s, maybe the odd 14 in southern counties. Pretty cold in the far north, just 6 or 7 degrees here. Overnight tonight, many of the showers dying away, so where the skies do clear, a little bit of mistiness and a little bit of fog around. And then through tomorrow, well, we'll keep the showers in the south, perhaps some more persistent cloud moving down the North Sea coast, giving some outbreaks of light rain or drizzle. Now then, in about 10 minutes' time, we'll have the weather show. There it is.